Hey, it's Ranger 374 coming to you from the Bass Cave. Hope everybody's doing good out there. I got a small tackle warehouse unboxing. It's my MTB replacement. If you've seen any of my videos on MTB, I got rid of them. So I'm just taking the money and buying the things I want for what I was spending on MTB box. Wasn't getting nothing, you know, too spectacular out of MTB. A lot of stuff that just ended up in a, you know, miscellaneous lure box, basically. One or two good things once in a while, but just wasn't worth the money. So spend it on something that I use, and it's the end of the year. Fishing up here in the Northeast will probably go down the tubes in November. So I'm just getting a few things, replacements that, you know, that I went through, and just bought a couple packs of stuff from Tackle Warehouse, and just replacement stuff. That's it. So anyway, I got some rage tail chunks for back of jigs. Got the black and blue ones. They call this one Blue Bug. See the back of it. I don't know how it comes out in that package, but I ain't gonna pull these out. They're in a clamshell. But put them on the backs of jigs, even some Finesse jigs. Rage tail chunk. Craw is a good one. I got some plastics and some hard baits, just miscellaneous stuff. Something that I do use on the back of even a chatterbait and a regular jig is the Flap and Crawl Z. It's a good bait. Got it in the blue sapphire. Take one of these out. They actually put them on a little plastic card now, but anyway, try to hold it together. It's the, you know, black sapphire color. Put them on back of a chatterbait, man. Them things, they go crazy on there. Especially, you know, use them in the warm water. I just put something, you know, doesn't move around too much when it, you know, cools down. But these are pretty good in summertime. Back of a chatterbait or a jig. So another one I got was the Magic Craw Swirl Pocket Rocket. I don't know if you use these for get these out, but anyway, these things are pretty cool on a wacky rig, or you can rig them Texas. But it's the Magic Craw green pumpkin with some blue in it. Really subtle, but these things, they're pretty awesome on a wacky rig. Caught some on that this year. I mean, what I said, I'm replacing some stuff, you know, that I got half bags or laying in the boat, or I lost one of the two, basically. This is one that I lost. I won't take it out of the package, but it's a Buzzbait Cumberland Pro Series 3/8 ounce, just black with a black blade. I did lose this one. Actually lost it to a peckerel. Come up and busted it, but Cumberland Pro, good bait. Caught some fish on that. This one, man bear pig, definitely caught some on that. I tend to go to this. I throw a zoom brush hog. Everybody knows that. I think I've talked about it enough times. Got my zoom hat on. By the way, got my TJ81 shirt on. Shout out to Jim. Man, you want to see a guy with some lures? Check out TJ81 on YouTube. Man, definitely got some lures. I ain't nothing compared to him, but, and I got a lot. But that's the man bear pig. Awesome bait. I usually break off these little things at the top. Just if I bust them off now. And comes through grass or even wood a little bit better. It gives it a slimmer shape, getting rid of them two tentacles. So there's a little hack for you, same as my brush hog hack if you haven't checked that out. So I got that in the tramp stamp color. It's green pumpkin blue. Pretty sure it's blue. Yeah, it's got that like sapphire blue in it on the back of it, and then green pumpkin on that side. Anyway, great bait. Speaking of chatterbaits, I lost one of these. It is the cross-eyed jig chatterbait. It's got a little weed guard on it. I throw this mostly around the wood so I don't get hung up in it. Great bait though. 3/8 ounce. That's what I pretty much throw around here. And another chatterbait I got is the custom from Tackle Warehouse, black blue. Good baits. I mean, I throw jackhammers pretty much all the time, but that custom and that cross-eyed tend to work pretty good. Got a couple jigs that I busted off, and they are the Beast Coast Finesse hybrid jigs. This one's like, they got them stapled in the package, so I ain't gonna try to get this thing out. But this is called Dirt Bag. I know you're not gonna be able to see it through there, but it's like a brown. It's like a brown and black jig. And I put a little black trailer on the back of it and use that one. This one is the Elite Craw. It's kind of like a magic craw color with the blue in it and some brown. Really sweet little jig. Busted a few jigs off this year. And got some crankbaits, obviously. I'm crankbait 1.5 KVD nut, but been throwing these too. And I pulled out 6 cents crush. Got quite a few of these. If I could get this one out of the package, it would help. But here we go. Anyway, I've been throwing some of these black crankbaits, and this one I've been doing pretty good on, and I lost one on a stump that I couldn't get off of my lure retriever. But anyway, it's black with some blue, and it's kind of subtle. It's got some gold in it, and did pretty good on this one. Like I said, it's the 6 cents. It's the crush. Really good baits. Come with, you ain't had to change these hooks or do nothing. Not sure, you know, if there are mustads on there. They won't. I don't think they will tell you. But anyway, that's really good bait right there. Caught a few fish on that one day before I busted it clean off. Caught a few more on that same day, but obviously this one's my favorite right now. Black and chartreuse or yellow, whatever you want to call it. That KVD 1.5. Can't say any more about this bait. You just have to use it and give it a try. Thing's awesome. Just last week caught some on this one. We do really good on the shad color baits, so picked up another one just cause I was ordering. Didn't bust it off, but just got it cause they work. That's it. Everything here I'm showing you, it just works. So at least for me here. Not saying it's gonna work everywhere, but I did pick up another one of these. I only had, I think, one, but it's the 4K shad in the KVD 1.5. So I'm gonna give that a shot. Have used it. I haven't done that good on it, but anyway, free Tackle Warehouse sticker. You know, for over 50 bucks, you get a free sticker. What a bonus, huh? Anyway, that's it for my MTB replacement. Tell me what you think. Hit that thumbs up if you like the video, any of the baits. Comment on if you use any of these baits, or think I should be using some baits that you like. But like I said, these were just replacements for some stuff. It isn't, you know, near everything I throw, but just some stuff busted off, lost, or half gone. Anyway, there's a big sale at Land Big Fish. It's a fall 21 sale. They have a discount code. Pretty sure it's either 21 fall or fall 21. I buy all my Zoom off of there pretty much. You can't beat that deal. They have sale every other week, so check out Land Big Fish. And as you know, Tackle Warehouse will probably have their Black Friday sale. You know, everybody waits for that one. I know I do. But anyway, that's it. Leave me any comments. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you do. It's only going to get better. So, hope everyone's safe. Catching some fish and smoke them this fall is all I can say. The weather's getting right. So, till next time, it's Ranger 374. I'm out.